What's up YouTube? Welcome to the second time we're going to the Nature One Festival in Castellón, Germany 2016 with almost the same team as last year. We just swapped out Flo with Christoph and we have Elias and Lucas, which we will catch up at the airport in Basel because he had a little vacation in Portugal and he will join us there. And we will start tomorrow. We are ready, we stocked up the car, and actually for you guys it will start right now. See, I didn't lie to you, it's starting right now and we are in a different car, the others are already on the way and we are in a...
It's a BMW E30 389.
And we are ready and let's go. After about 4 hours of driving, we have met each other, and then it has only been half an hour away from the camping place. After we have set everything in place, it was time for dinner. After enjoying that delicious meat, we have strolled over the camping place, where the party already started. And good morning guys. We had a quite loud night yesterday and now we will swap our camping place because our neighbors have built a huge stage right beside us and that's quite annoying. So let's see if we get a better place. We broke everything down and we're now on the way to look after a better place to camp. Hopefully a more quiet place. We arrived at the new place, much more quiet and much more space. Let's build everything up again. After we have scored them all, I flew some rounds with the drone to get some stunning shots like last year. Actually, as you see, my flight hasn't been that long because of this guy and his friend from the police. But I was very lucky. I didn't get a ticket or something like that. I just had to leave it in their arms till the festival finished. So it wasn't that bad at all. Alright, enough chilling on the camping site on our new space. And now it's getting dark and we are on the way to the festival site Nature 1. Let's see you guys there. That has it been for Nature 1 2016. Thanks for watching the video, a rating would be appreciated, and if you don't want to miss any future stuff, subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day guys, I'll catch you at the next one.